Beeline Moto Motorcycle Navigation Unit. If you ride a motorcycle, you know how important it is to keep your eyes on the road at all times. Run-ins with oblivious drivers don't usually work out in your favor. That's why a navigation unit you can't decipher in a split second is terrible. And it's why the Beeline Moto is so great. Instead of a map or directions written out in sentences, Beeline Moto displays an arrow. Follow the arrow and you'll arrive at your destination without reading a word or following a map. It's simple and safe. The small device attaches to a twist lock, so it can easily be removed when you arrive, and it's waterproof, shockproof, and boasts extraordinary battery life. Set it to route mode and it will take you turn by turn to your destination. Set it to compass mode and explore a little more, as it simply points the arrow in the direction you need to travel. Back Beeline Moto on Kickstarter now and save.